it'll be in this next program once we get it set up. And then 0.7.
We're doing a robotics engineering camp with a lot of Amatrol employees that are speaking and showing kids how to do things technical. Click on output 5 then.
We get to learn about how to use robots.
Can I make it to where, like, if it doesn't set the block, it will do a different action?
I am learning how to program the Pegasus robot and how to control it.
I just love the building. I like building things that do stuff, like does stuff for me, makes cool noises, just moves on its own. It's just so cool.
I really love robotics, engineering, all that stuff.
The kids really enjoy the programming and making the robot move automatically and do things and understand and react to things.
It seems complicated at first, like all the steps, but if you really go through it, it's really simple.
You program it and it does exactly what you want it to do. So if you put a block down, it can pick it up and move it, and I feel like that's just cool. I don't know. I like it.
I'm not the most technically fluent person, but I do enjoy that sort of thing. If I can become more technically fluent and learn different things along those lines, it'll open up more job opportunities that I could potentially use in the future.
I hope they figure out some programming. I hope they figure out what they want to do in high school and college and beyond. We've had a lot of students that say, by the end of the 2 weeks, this is what I want to do.
I have a lot of plans for what I want to do. One of them is mechanical engineering, and we've met a few mechanical engineers, so that's been helpful to know what they do. And then also I've been interested in like architecture and stuff, and we've met some graphic designers, and I think that also helps a little bit with that stuff. So I feel like this all plays into all of my plans, so it works out.
Gonna head home and repeat.
It'll help me be ahead of the others because I'll know how to do the programming and just controlling it in general. It'll help me in the future.
Are you in the jog mode?
It's been awesome. I've really appreciated all the time and effort these people have put into it, and it's been really fun.